Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 16th of March 2021. It's 5 minutes to 4 local time. This is pound yen on an hour chart, trading at 151.201. I thought it's a great opportunity to quickly capture the typical move you can see here. I call this a pre-stop hunt counter move. Okay, so it means, and in this particular case, it's not that, for example, the price is in the range and they first take the medium-term stop on the other side before going to the target, but it's basically a move towards the main target. Just a few pips before that, a pullback and counter move. And then, for example, if enough longies take the bait and go long, move down to the target. You understand? So in a nutshell, it's just a pullback right before the target, close to the target, just a few pips. And you can see that quite often it's not a rare dynamic. So basically that helps the smart money to not only confuse the dumb money signals, bots, and manual analysis, but it makes sure that, you know, if there's somebody placed correctly, they get taken out before the target is cleaned out, you see? So, yeah. A nice view on the market here, because it's quite a clean scenario where we have those two medium-term stop accumulations, the orange lines here at the low, so it's some kind of reversed grail pattern, and we literally have a pin towards the target with followed by the pullback. So what will happen at some point is the target run. I should also mention that in this particular case, since we have the Bank of England speech coming this week, they could even use that in order to implement the main target run, or to do the main target run before the speech, you see. That's normally what they incorporate. So they could even do an exaggerated move up and then, you know, close to the big news or during the big news do a target move down. So in those situations, when we see a setup like here, if for example we closed any shorts before, we keep an eye on this market. Yeah, we place an alert, for example, because there can be trade opportunities. For example, if in the next 10-15 hours the price goes up here and longies come into the market and the long line increases while the net money short collapses, this could be a potential entry short, you see, back towards the inner range. But what we do is we wait for those kind of scenarios to unfold. Remember, it's not a good idea to predict what the dumb money will do, but rather to react to what the dumb money will do. That's why we have the leading information, you see. So that's important. But still, it's a good idea to kind of re-engineer the psychology of the dumb money as well as of the smart money. So to summarize this whole situation, smart money would like to take the target level down here, and it needs to make sure that not too much dumb money is on the right side, and they can implement that without letting any shorties make money. Stay safe.